Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel and this is your reading for the month of September 2024. So if your sun, moon or rising any of the signs is Virgos, this reading is for you. This reading is going to be in English. So if you're comfortable in Hindi or Urdu, आप दूसरी वीडियो देख सकते हैं. So let's see, this is going to be a general reading. It will cover your career, your love, your general day-to-day matters. First week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. Wow. So you have got two major arcana cards, the Emperor and the Fortune's Wheel. I see you definitely are at an authoritative position. Also, you're starting something new. Let me go one by one. I'll clarify to you everything. But beautiful so far. Let's see more. First week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. All right. So I know you cannot see the entire spread, but I'm going to show it to you as and when we move forward. So let's begin. Your first week has the Emperor card and the Four of Spades. So I do see that you are in an authoritative position. In the past, Virgos, I have noticed that your life was not going smooth, especially work-wise. You had a lot of delays. You had a lot of, you lost a lot of money. You lost good positions also, good works also, good clients also. Everything was sort of messed up for you. Now your life is finally moving forward. Your career is looking good. Some of you could be getting promoted around this time. Some of you could be starting a new business around this time. So you will be back in the position of a CEO or somebody who is at a very good position in a company. Somebody who's also treated well amongst their colleagues and amongst their family members also. It could be that you're becoming a father also. It could be that your father has a huge influence in your life. It could be that you're joining your father's business as well. Take what resonates with you. I am getting a lot of messages in the first week, September. I also see that you could be doing a lot of charity, could be spending a lot of time with, you could be doing something for the stray animals, for the birds, uh, and yes, being of very generous nature. Because obviously, after a long period of time, you've got success, right? So when you get success, you want to share it with the people. So that is what I'm getting. I would like to clarify the Four of Spades with Nostradamus, please. Yes, so kindness, generosity, and gifts. So you could be gifting people a lot, you could be taking them out for dinners, you could be celebrating your success. So you are like a father figure in your family as well, in your workplace as well. That means like the head of the family is what I'm seeing. In the second week, we have the Three of Suns and the Four of Moon. The Three of Suns and the Four of Moons means that you are starting something new. You are starting a new business. You have business ideas. You are taking action. Okay. So I do see you expanding your business as well. Like I said, some of you could be joining your father's business. Maybe you have left your job now and now you are starting your father's business, helping him expand also, helping him. You have your own ideas. You've just finished your education. It could be that as well. Or if you were already working in a company, you have gained experience from there and now you're applying to your father's business or your own new business is what I'm seeing. I would like to clarify the Four of Moons here. Please clarify the Four of Moons for me. Yes, that is why I wanted to clarify. I think that you are maybe focusing a lot more in your work and that is why you're also feeling exhausted. You know, you are feeling uh, there is weariness, you're tired, you're exhausted. You feel like it could be that some of you are not very happy with that decision of yours. For example, it feels to me like some of you could be forced in your father's business and you did not want to join it. So that is why you're feeling like you're stuck in something you did not want to do. However, the position is good, the money is good, the prestige is good, you know, but you are not happy because maybe it's something that you did not want to do. Maybe you wanted to do something on your own and you're being forced to do or pick a particular position. Like I said, your father maybe has an influence in your life. Maybe he is the one who's, asking you to do that particular thing. It could be elder brother also. It could be somebody. if you are a woman watching this, it could be your husband as well. So I do see that somebody of that head of the family in your life has an influence on you, and they're asking you to choose a particular line, do or a line of career, or do a particular thing, a particular job, and it seems to me like you're not very happy doing it. You're feeling dejected, you're feeling worn out as well. So take what resonates with you. This is the second message that I'm getting for your second week, okay? That somebody is being pushed to do something which they don't want to do, especially in terms of career choices. Coming to the third week, we have the one of suns and the 10 of moons. One of Suns definitely talks about happiness. It talks about new beginnings. So I do see something is starting. It could be that some of you are being forced to get married around this time, settle down. You know what happens in our Indian culture family, that after a certain age you're asked to choose a boy or girl for yourself and settle down eventually. So maybe you want to explore more, maybe you need some more time, but you are asked to settle down. I do see new beginnings in your life. So uh, maybe initially you weren't very happy about this decision, but I think you have somewhere accepted it. I think that towards the end of the September, I see that acceptance coming in your picture, where you will be like okay with whatever decisions you have been you know uh, uh, forced to choose in a way. Where sometimes some of us do not have a control over our family. Some of us cannot make a decision on our own. So maybe you would have accepted that decision, that okay, fine, I will work in this company, or okay, fine, I will join your business, or okay, fine, I will get married to this person. So take what resonates with you. This is what I'm seeing for you. I would like to clarify that 10 of moons with Nostradamus. Yes. So I do see celebration. I do see that people around you are very happy. People around you are very content with your achievements in life. They're very happy that you are joining that company, or starting your joining your dad's business, or getting married. So people around you, I see, are very happy with your decision and the acceptance that you have agreed to it. So it does feel like this was not your decision. You were not very happy with it, but you have somehow come to terms with it. You have agreed to those decisions. It seems to me like that. Coming to the fourth week, we have the fortune's wheel and the apprentice, right? So this is the life cycle. You have accepted that everything is happening, at its own timing, and maybe this is also the time for me to do something. And this is maybe you're getting a guidance from your father, a father figure in your life, and you are ready to work hard towards it. So I do see that whatever decision you will make, Virgos, whether that's to settle down with that person of your father's or parents' choice, or to join the business, or to start that job, I think you will be putting your whole in it. Okay, so you will not be doing it half-heartedly, and that's the best part about you, Virgos. You will be working hard on it. It's not like, okay, this was not my choice, but I'm going to give my 100% to it, whether that's the marriage or whether that's your work. So it's beautiful that you're doing that. Let me clarify more with Nostradamus about the fortune's wheel for you. Yes, so you understand the fact that this is inevitable. You cannot run away from it. You have been asked to do it. You have to do it. Okay. So unexpected events will be happening. Maybe this was not something you expected to be. Maybe you wanted to do something else. So I do see endings and beginnings. That means you will have to end something. Okay. If you were in a relationship, maybe you will have to end that in order to get married to this person of your parents' choice. So that will be happening. It is inevitable. I'm really sorry, but there is something larger at play. Okay, there's no wrong decision. There's nothing to be unhappy about. I see that this is your destiny. Okay, and if you wanted to do something, you'll have to end maybe your job and now join your father's business. Maybe your circumstances were such that you were forced to step into your father's shoes and take on his business because of his health issues or whatever. I'm not seeing that in particular, but it could be anything that you had to step up. You had to listen to them. You had to take the role of a good child. Okay, it is beautiful. There's nothing to worry about. I do not see any reason for you to not feel happy about it. I understand sometimes what happens is when we are forced to do something we do not want to do, we have that initial hesitation about it. But beautifully, how I see that how beautifully you have accepted that this is your destiny, this is inevitable, and you're working hard towards it, like giving your 100%, and that is, I think, commendable. So kudos to you, dear Virgos. If you liked my reading, if you resonated with it, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also do comment and let me know that yes, this is exactly what I'm feeling right now, or yes, this is exactly what is happening in my life. I would be very happy to know. Hindi and Urdu video is going to be uploaded soon. If you're more comfortable, please go and watch that. New moon video is out as well. That is valid for next 20 days. That is at least till September 17 when the full moon comes. So please do and watch that. Do see the positive affirmations for you, and that will really help you how to deal with the situation that you're going through right now. Beautiful reading. Take care of yourself, Virgos, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.